Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can write a query which will display the maximum salary of an employee and also the minimum salary of an employee along with other information. I have a table called employee which has column ID, name, email, salary, manager ID, and experience years. So I have these 4 rows in this table. Now I have to find out who makes the highest salary here out of all these employees and also who makes the lowest salary out of all these employees along with their name, email, manager ID, experience years, all those information. So the output will be just like this. This will be my output. So I'm going to use with clause. It's also known as common table expression. What it does, it breaks down a complex query and make it more manageable for us. So let's do the example. Then it will be much more easier for you to understand. So as I said, I need to have max value, max salary, and also minimum salary. So I'm going to write with. I'm going to give a name because I want to get the max salary first. MA as, and then I'm going to write select max salary from employee. Okay, and then select all from MA. Okay, let's see if it works. Yes, I got the maximum salary here. You can see that now, max salary. Okay, now I need to get the minimum salary too, right? So I can write again, comma. This time I'm going to give it name MI so that MA represents maximum salary and MI represent minimum salary. Okay, so now this time MI as, then bracket, and I'm going to write select min salary from employee. Okay, so let's make it readable a little bit better. Okay, okay, this one now. Okay, okay, this is just making it more readable. That's all. Now I'm going to write MI. Let's see if it works now. MI is the second one. MA is the first one, and MI is the second one. This should give me the minimum salary. Yeah, I'm getting also the minimum salary. Now I'm going to do something else. Now I'm going to say select, because I need all other information too. Who is getting maximum or minimum salary? I don't know. So I need to get all this information. So I'm going to write select all from employee where salary equal. Now I'm going to write select all from MA max. Okay. Now let's see what it does. It should give me maximum salary of that person. Yes, I got the maximum salary. So maximum salary got this person, Nami. She got maximum salary is $90,000. Okay, along with all this information. This is what I want. Now I also need to get the minimum salary, right? So in that case, in order to do that, I'm gonna write union. Then I'm gonna write. I can copy this one. Copy this one, and then I'm getting minimum salary for this one, right? So I'm gonna write MI instead of MA. MI. So this MI is the minimum salary. So now let's see what result I get. Now I got maximum salary and minimum salary, but they are not in order. I want the maximum salary to be top and minimum salary to be bottom. So in that case, I can do something like this. So this is my with clause. These are the with clause syntax, right? So now I can do this, select all from, and then the whole result of the with clause, I'm going to put it over here. Whole result of the with clause. This is the whole result of the with clause. Okay, whole result of the with clause. And then I'm going to say order by salary, DESC, descending order. So now let's see if it gives me the correct result. Let's see. Yep, I'm getting the correct output now. My Nami actually, she got 90,000 salary along with her all information, and the minimum salary earned by Katharina, she got 60,000 along with her all other information. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.